as he's walking the wrong ways, walking majestically. Kudus is the manager of J.K. Randall Center. J. Randall Center, J. Randall, the same. Myself, the governor of Lagos State, and our late president, Muhammadu Buhari, we opened this place 2023 January, and actually I was talking to the governor then. We moved around the whole place, and I realized that one of the major icons, major symbol of we the Yoruba wasn't well represented. I told the governor, and I even told Kudus that this is not right. It's a spiritual symbol of our heritage, and it started from Ife. The bronze technology started from Ife. We taught the Western world everything that has to do with the Bronze Age started from Ife, and we taught every race. It's there. That's why we are the cradle of civilization. But for us, we still kept it till date, the spirituality of bronze technology. So caution fee, don't worry, we will return it. Please let us give J. Randall Center a resounding round of applause. So this will last to perpetuity. It's made of bronze, the same technology the French people use to make Statue of Liberty. We taught everybody in the world how bronze will be made in terms of different formwork. So that's the history of we the Yoruba people. We taught everybody all the way to the Greek, all the way it extended in 16th, 15th century to Benin Kingdom. Then Benin Kingdom started doing it in form of hard work and a lot of representation of the human image. But for us in Ife, it is spiritual. We kept the spirituality intact, and this is one of the images we brought for you, so that you display and showcase who we are. So thank you for allowing us to use this venue. This is an exchange. Please return our caution fee. Please return it. You didn't allow us to use the event for free. You collected money for us. We gave you a priceless asset. Oh yeah, Emma, please give the manager of this place a round of applause. Thank you very much.